ghetto youth have faith and pray. Don't sleep on the streets, stay away.
Chronic Law. Me I call you again. Chronic Law. No make nobody tell you nothing, my boss. No make nobody tell you nothing. See as of today, me no want to see you in no more clash. Me no want to see you in no more clash or hear your name involved in no more clash, brother. And them song of the people them like from you. And them song of the people them a talk about Chronic Law. When you speak positive message, me nah say you can't do your gangster song and you can't do your gun lyrics and you can't do whatever type of lyrics you want to do. But when you touch them note of Chronic Law, the people them can relate to it. And the people them can feel it. People, you know man I say, the man I speak to the ghetto youths them know. Man I say ghetto youths, stay awake. Don't close the eye when they're in the streets. And that the man basically has said people, open the eye and pray. Pray to Father God for your want. Work hard for your want because you will achieve it. People, me know enough people that like that song, you know. Me know enough people that will come and talk about that song because better for the clash. Everybody come and run with it and say, yo, Chronic Law, Ray, Chronic Law this. But why not push now and now? Why not push forth positiveness in that them time? Chronic Law, you find it. You find the Chronic Law, here you do. Follow my advice. Stay up on the hillside every day and just do them tune. You see, once you do them tune every day, you can't go wrong. Remember in the Chronic Law, enough of them artists that never yet go up on Rebel Salute. And you go up on that as a hardcore dancehall artist. You get booked for Rebel Salute. Where that show is a Chronic Law, where that really show is say, yo, the people them like the positive message you have spread. Continue to spread it, my boss. People, what going on that song? Why do you up that song? Because that song is bad people, so I cut it up and chat about it. You know what I mean?
Make we try for avoid jail place. R.I.P. Blue, we would have been seeing me.
This is the most important line in the music, people. To me, in the song, this is the most important line that I sit down and listen to the song. I say, yo, yes, I have to start because this is the most important line. Because you see, as youths growing up, the first thing they pass on youths, man, I forgot to go lock ends because them see man a lock ends, so they want lock ends, they want gun, they want this. You get me? I say, but one thing happen, people. Them all go to jail. And when some of them go to jail, them people them not have money for come bail them. And they don't not even look upon them no more. And that the man I say, yo, better we stay at school and take in less now, know, so we can grow up to become anything we want to be. You get me? I say, that Chronic Law really I show the youth, say, you know, yo, focus, change your mindset. Nobody think say, yo, just gun alone can't do it, I just go warm bad. Broke badness no work. And then the man goes up, boom, and remember him friend. I don't know him friend dead. If I buy the gun, or I prison him friend gun or whatever. But the man say, yo, R.I.P. youth. Because that was a real soldier to him. From back in school days, I and him grew up together. You get me? I said, that. So the man remember that. I said, youth, will I be the same age, you know? I made that street together, and I made that travel and music journey together, you know? So it goes to show, say, yo, even though I choose different path from you, or I don't never end up on the same path, I can always remember you, because I remember the days when the old man that road talk to me, or the young man that don't do road talk to me and say, yo, don't this, don't do that, go on to school, go take your education. But while me listen, by people them bring me up good, it just feel like say you never if listen. It's a tool that they want in your hand. Quick cash that they want. That the man really show them people, yo, that song are bad people. That song are bad. Me know some man not probably say the whole of the review. But you more want to just go listen to that Chronic Law song. Me I tell you now. How much people can relate to that song? How much people can relate to that song? Show me now. Raise on the hand, people, the phone and raise it. Yeah, man, everybody must can relate to this song and say, you know, say a true. And everybody come around the real. And you see them here showing, you know, people. Sometimes some people just, they're around, you know, for draining the energy. You get me? I say, look, remember these people. Enough time when they're younger and they get in a trouble. Say, your friend get in a trouble. Who you think them pint pan? Your friend has a pint pan you. Say, yo, a fame fault. A she carry me down there. Him carry me down there. And them make me do this. You know, say, me never do want to do this, mommy. And because of that, and because of that. Yeah. So from a tender age, you know, so you have to know who for trust. You get me? I say, a lot of people, me tell you, come in our life for a period of time. Me tell you, see them, I tell you again. People comes with expiration date also, and I just food alone. Sometimes you have to know, say, watch out, man, me want better, me have to drop that circle there. You get me? I say, and Chronic Law, me not stop talking, brother. Me nah stop saying. You see that song, yeah? You see that meds away gone back in a gone hole. Alright, they say if you stay up, I mean, I say you can't do one and two other song, you know. But you say not do them things where people can relate to, and people can say, yo, you know, say them songs can always live on. These are something we can always live on. Look, clash tune them, a 9-day wonder, coming like 9 night and funeral. Yeah, man. As you go so boom and the war done, we not busy about them song they again. But you see, them song, I can always play, brother. Just wait until Europe open. I hold it for 2 years again just because of that one song, brother. Remember, you know, you come back and say, yo, my view, you know, I show you that talk, me I continue upon that part. Remember, you know, a hillside, I couldn't know about you, you know. I run up on the hills, I not a hillside bunnies. Hillside, nobody there to talk to. So you know, so say you're going back to your roots now, brother. You're going right back to your roots now for your people. Them.
You can be anything where you want be. Everything nice, things sweet.
Man, them they say about the sweater, you bro, you shall eat bread. You get me? I say or something like that. I don't quite remember what them say, but that's something along the line there. But people, what kind of class really I try to tell you, them say, yo, remember, anything you want in life you can achieve. Don't nobody tell you you can't do it. You see me, I say many times people go to school and teacher say, yo, teacher can't say, you never come to nothing. Parents say you never come to nothing. You're big and workless. You this say that and cuss out the people them. But at the end of the day, I see him youth there. Come round and I take care of them. And I see him youth there. You have to look up to them and say, yo, me nah have no sugar, me nah have no salt, me nah have no flour, me nah have nothing to eat. And I see him youth there come give something. Remember, you know, people at time of the master, you know. Nothing to beat time. Once you have life, you have hope. Yeah, man. Once you have life, you have hope. And that can make you know, say, yo, you can be anything you want to be. So if you say you want to be a pilot, me nah say, you know, if you are now 70 and you want to be a pilot, you still can't be a pilot. No. No, you can't do that. But when I try say, yo, when you're a teenager and you make some little mistake, you have time for correct your wrongs. You get me? I say you still have time for correct your all if you're behind bars. I'm just someone behind bars go like this. You can try get a trade in there. Learn a skill. Something. You get me? I say, so you still have time. And this is another time for you to sit down and say, watch your man. They got work place, yo. On the road, me I go dig it, you know. Yo, me I go take out the gun and me I go wrap this and me No. See, when I call them work hard for them one, you can work hard for your own too. And that kind of clear preach to use them from early. I know fan all listen to this and I say, yo, no say a true chronicle attack. You know, say me can relate to this say a true chronicle attack. People, I'm telling you about bad energy and bad mind, grudgeful, and them set of people. You see them people, and them come for hold it down. They most of the crab in their barrel, I try them now and you come out. Let me tell you also how people stay. People they go so boom. And they run you and just a drain the energy. You tell them an idea and them throw it under the bus from early. I say, yo, no, you can't do that. Like you go so boom. I say, you know, say, yo, not now go on for me and feel like me I go sell some bag juice. You see me, I stack some bag juice and ice cream in the fridge and sell it. And a Sunday I come out, come sell it. When the church done, just go over the churchyard and sell the pit them that. And I say, yo, no, do that. No money depend that. You're not going to make it. I waste your money if you do that. Yo, but I'll take the money and go drink. But I'll take the money and go smoke. But I'll take the money and go somewhere. You get me? So go beach on a regular. That them I tell him. But you see, 2 days or 3 days down the line, you see the same idea we are share with them. Them are go so boom and just run go do it. Yeah man, them are take your idea, take your car and run go do it like so you attempt the planet. And you say, boom, but watch them man, watch them. So that's why sometimes I say people, it's good not to show anybody what you have planned. It's good to just do your thing by yourself. You get me? I say, I mean, after when it lift off now, you show them say, watch them man, you see that? Build my thing from scratch. I do it by myself. Yeah man, so sometimes you know, it's good if you don't ever get an opinion from somebody, you know. But you can't give them too much details. Because once you go into details with them, they might go discourage you from doing it. And you just have to take it because you say, you know, every time that person you tell them say do this, it work out. And you're nasty, say, watch you know man, I thief my idea, you know, and them not good for me, you know.
Never make depression make you kill yourself. If my weak in my heart, I wouldn't read so far.
Try again. See the message again, people. At first you don't succeed. Try and try again. And that the man has to tell people. Enough time when I sit down and I say, you know, so I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna be able to do that. You get me? I say, I see there. uno pull through the storm, uno weather through the storm. Even right now, look where I'm going right now. All the people that lose them job and they must feel like they are gonna give up. But not give up, people. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel. You get me? I say, remember, you know, from a younger age, I'm telling you, say, you prepare for a rainy day. And this is the rainy day now. You get me? I say, so what we are going to do for move to the next level of overcome this. And you see that song, yeah? See that song? This is also one song, people. This is something more people sit down and analyze for themselves and look into for themselves and say, you know, say, yo, depression thing is a serious thing. Mental health is a serious thing. I can't make you know, say, yo, you go through that, you know. Me, they go through that. But I my strength that me have. That's why if you have a good foundation, you can't say, yo, you're strong now. The foundation from start weak, then you just have to give up. Not for them people that commit suicide, they never want to do it. Honest, not for them never want to do it. But what? Them foundation was strong enough, they never want to hold on to. So you say that song, yeah? Hold on to it. Anytime you feel like you want to go the wrong or you got the wrong place, just come listen to that kind of class song, yeah? You get me? I say, I meds it people, meds it youths. Me I talk to you. You get me? I say, cause each one help one, you know. Each one help one and a positive message this the Lord bring right now. Much of them youths are people just love handout. And that the man I tell you, say, yo, work for you want for yourself. You get me? I say, it no matter how much the income is where you're going to get, or how much money you're going to carry in after you're done. Also, you're honest about that. And you sweat for that. No man can tell you what to do, and no man can tell you what to not do with it. But you see, some man just want to sit down and live off of people. Some man just want to say, yo, see me dad there, see me dad's there. Yo, give me a bills if I buy a bills bag. Yo, buy a juice, buy a that for me, no. And that mentality, the man I tell you, say, you want to cut out. People, the man I say, yo, go in the back here, do some planting, do some farming. Yeah, man, take up some little things and go town, go sell, make your own. If you can't love yourself, you can't love nobody else. And that's the ending message. Always remember, love begins with you. Yeah, man. From here I go to Sunday school, as I look at you, them tell you that the first stage of love, you have to love yourself, you have to love within. Or you have to love somebody else if you can't love yourself. Or you have to care about people if you can't care about yourself. You get me? I say, I'm telling you, I say, bad mind people, bad mind us now, hold them. You get me? I say, people. But people, do remember, you know, like, share, subscribe. Always come back for more. Tell a friend, tell a next friend, and bring a next friend. You know what I mean? We're always going to be here.